So how you can make $1,000 to $2,000 per week with affiliate marketing, especially with ClickBank promoting low ticket affiliate offers or mid ticket affiliate offers on ClickBank. So as you can see here, right, the payment net balance was almost $2,000, right? So ClickBank pays you every single week, right? Depends on your payment settings. Now, how you can get paid exactly with ClickBank and how you can start making these huge affiliate commissions as a newbie, as someone who is out there looking to make some serious cash online with ClickBank affiliate marketing, right? Using paid traffic. So one of the ways is this, right? You could use Google Ads, you can use YouTube ads, you can use Facebook ads, right? You have three main traffic sources, right? And then we have bias traffic. Now, for people who don't have much time, who have some money to invest, I would suggest starting with bias traffic. What is that? It means you don't need any landing page, you don't need a website, you don't need Google ads, you don't need Facebook ads, none of that stuff, right? If you want some quick cash, some quick wins as a newbie, as a beginner, right? I would suggest you to start with bias traffic. So basically getting traffic sent to your ClickBank affiliate link. So how this works? Simply, if you're watching this video right now and if you want to know exactly how this works step by step and how it can work for you, then click the link below this video, let me know, reach out to me personally one-on-one, and we can speak together and get you started so you can start having results with ClickBank affiliate marketing, specifically with bias traffic, right? So we can send traffic in different niches, like it can be survival niche, can be relationship niche, can be make money online niche, right? Can be weight loss niche, right? Keto, back pain. There are many different niches out there. The most important thing is your audience, right? We have quality, high quality, valuable value product. Then we have traffic on this side. And what is traffic? Traffic are people. Traffic are buyers who are not just, let's say, interested or let's say prospects, but real buyers who already bought this kind of products from ClickBank in the past. So what you can do right now as you're watching this video is simply reach out to me by clicking one of the links below this video, right? Just reach out to me on social media or by email, right, or WhatsApp, and then let's connect together and send you some traffic your way so you can start having some quick wins, you can start generating results, right? If you have some money to invest but no time, then this is perfect opportunity right now at this time as you're watching this video today. Why? Because it's really simple to understand, right? If you have great audience, you don't need to have a lot of audiences. You can have 100 buyers, right, who are already similar, let's say buying similar products on ClickBank or other platforms who are proven to work, and then we send the traffic to affiliate link, right? There are many different niches. Personally, I don't have even time to promote in survival niche, for example, or let's say hobby niches like woodworking or any kind of niches like that. But many people do. They enjoy doing these kind of things, and they enjoy having, let's say, $1,000 a week, $500 a week, $1,000 a week, right? And if you do the math, that's around $4,000 or $5,000 per month, without website and without wasting your time away, right? So you can simply just, we send the email out and traffic to your affiliate link, and this is how it works. It's all about understanding your potential customer, your buyers, right? So getting that proven buyer traffic to your affiliate links, especially on ClickBank, right? So after watching this video, please click the links below, reach out to me, and let's get you started to start receiving these bias traffic affiliate commissions. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.